Let us start the topic. What is booting? Booting is a startup process. Means when we switch on the computer, the starting process which initiates your machine, which loads your machine from ideal state. Means when your computer is being off, you are been trying to switch on it. Whatever the initial process it takes to get ready of your system to use, the process which completes this sequence of steps is called actually booting. Means when we have a computer with us, it is switched off. I want to work with the computer. I am making it on. Means I have been switching on its power on button. Okay. When I had been switched on it, initially entire computer doesn't start within fraction of seconds. It takes some sort of time to load each and every component or peripheral or a device which is connected to the computer. Originally, when you click on your start button, there is a bootstrap loader or booting program will starts first, which will be located in your main memory. Okay, that program connects each and every index of the required needed softwares which are to be loaded primarily so that a user can work with the machine. Means whatever the input devices are being connected, whatever output devices are being connected, what are the key features which a ideal system has to available, those all features will be loaded by booting. Now we will discuss the two different kinds of bootings. There is a booting which I had discussed now is called cold booting. Means when a computer is completely switched off, you are been trying to on that machine, so it loads each and every process starting from displaying of Windows icon if you have been working with Windows operating system, loading the memory, loading the devices, loading the desktop icons, uh, loading all kinds of tray icons, quick launch icons, start menu items. So this all will happen. Finally your system will be available for you to utilize, use or to be in service. The second case, warm booting or hot booting. Warm booting or hot booting. Okay, cold booting, hot booting or warm booting. So this word refers to when your computer machine is on, but due to some situation it is been hang up or struck up. Your computer got struck up. Now you are not able to perform any action with the computer. Your keyboard is not working, your mouse is not working, all input and output devices are being hanged up. At the time we have been only one choice, either we can completely turn off our machine by power off, or else we have a second option called restart button, reset button. Now I will go with the reset button. What I am been doing, all my devices are on, all devices are on means my computer was been working, but due to some situation occurred, it hang up. Means all the devices are already on, power on there, power is available, but we are unable to do any kind of functionality. So I will be going with reset button, restart button. So all the devices are on, but only one problem is there, we are unable to do the things. So to reinitiate, to reload the memory for each and every component, physical device or internally the primary memory or main memory of the computer, the reset button will be used. So this kind of booting means making the system available from already available to hang up mode, then hang up to available mode. Hang up to available mode, we have been doing reset button or restart button. This process is known to be warm booting, means when our computer is already on. Okay, so there are two types of booting: cold booting, warm booting. Most preferable booting is cold booting only, but when we have an emergency, when we need our machine to be available within span of time, in that kind of situations, in such situations, we need to use or we need to go with warm booting. If you have any doubts, please mention in your comments. Thank you. If you like the content, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on bell icon or notifications button so that you will be getting updated notifications from our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you all.